Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Glow Recipe Glass Balm Lip Treatment. This product retails for $22. I did get the clear shade, which is called Ice Bingsu. They do have 4 shades of this product. Super excited to see a tinted lip balm from Glow Recipe. I haven't actually tried a lip product from them ever, and I think they used to have at least a stick lip balm. Glow Recipe is notorious for discontinuing products, so I apologize. It's hard to keep up with what is currently on the market from them. I'm really excited to try this out and see how it feels, how it performs. This is a lip balm, and I feel like those have prone to either do really well. But the lip balm market is also very saturated. It has a lot of competition and high stakes, and it being $22 is making it a little bit less appealing. Even though I would pay that for some lip treatments, that is really gonna have to stand out for me to want to repurchase a product that's expensive. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. You could kind of expect that Glow Recipe would put fragrance in this, but it is a lip treatment, so it's not as big of a deal for me. Just keep that in mind if you are sensitive. Highlighted ingredients include hyaluronic acid microspheres, fruit actives, and glycerin. Check out the full ingredient list. Make sure you click the link in the description to go to their website. Also left the full ingredients in the description as well. Big things I'm going to be looking for with it include: how does it feel on the lips? How does it perform? How long lasting is it? And what finish does it leave? As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-in, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in, also my first impression with this lip product. Just got it today. I feel like I haven't seen a lot of people talking about this. I haven't even seen what the applicator looks like, which it is standard. It is the silicone soft tip applicator, which I personally love. You do get 0.52 fluid ounces, which I have a bad habit of just keeping lip balms all over and never finishing any of them, just having a stack of them on my desk. So texture-wise, feels pretty standard, not sticky. Oh, it smells so good. Oh wow, that's a new flavor for Glow Recipe. I was expecting the typical like watermelon scent, like you know Glow Recipe's fragrances. I don't know what it gives, but it is almost a little, it's definitely fruity, but I'm getting like almost, I don't know, cherry kind of. It smells like an icy, like a really delicious, maybe blueberry or something icy. Oh my gosh. Smell alone, it smells great. It's not why we're here though. It's feeling pretty standard. Feeling pretty normal for a lip treatment. Oh my gosh, that tastes so good. Okay, I've got to calm down. This is not why we're here. It's super lightweight. It does not feel like I'm wearing anything on the lips, which could go one of two ways. It could either be really like fade, not do anything, or it could be the perfect, more nourishing, lightweight lip treatment. I know I'm gonna still use this because it smells great. It doesn't matter either way, I'm gonna be using this product up, but whether I repurchase it or not comes down to how it performs. You can see there, it's kind of a mid-weight, not too glossy, but just kind of gives a natural finish. Of course, I got the clear version. They have tints of this as well. $22 for that smell alone is, is kind of tempting. It smells like a snow cone. Oh, it's just so nice. I'm gonna smell this, like, I'm addicted to this. This is scary. I will see how it performs feel-wise. That's what's really gonna come down to it in all seriousness. Great first impression. It's very lightweight and not sticky, but I'm gonna continue using it to see if it lasts long. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. This lip balm smells amazing, but that is not why we're here. I loved this lip balm because it was lightweight, it had a great fragrance to it, but other than that, there was nothing that stood out about this lip balm, and it was not very nourishing for the lips long term. I noticed that it disappeared, didn't really do much for the lips, and it kind of just faded and did nothing long term. I don't see myself reinvesting in this. I love the fragrance, even though I love how it tastes, how it smells. It is a great experience with that. It's very lightweight, it has a glossy finish to it, but it's nothing stand out, and it's more expensive in the lip balm market, and so I really wouldn't recommend it when you could go for another option. My current favorites include the Coco Kind lip treatment. They come in a wide range of tints, kind of similar to to this. Topicals Slick Solve Lip Treatment is my go-to. It is more focused on clear lip treatments. They do have an acai tint to it, but it is still a wonderful option and the most hydrating, and I got way more hydration out of both the cocoa kind and this. More long-term, and I also love the ingredients like peptide ceramides that the cocoa kind included. This product was just lackluster. I don't really see a need for it on the skincare market. I don't think Glow Recipe did anything really crazy innovative that would make me reinvest in this product over another one. I do like that they went for a beautiful fragrance. I mean, that is really the only positive I can think of with this product, and it's not something that would make me reinvest in it. So for that reason, I would recommend going for any of the other options that I mentioned. Those are also pretty lightweight, leave a very similar finish, and are just so much more nourishing than this product. I really didn't see it stand out in any regard. I understand the lip market is so saturated, and if you want to invest in this product because you like the fragrance and you have the means to, then go for it. It's just not something I'm going to repurchase, and so for that reason, go for the topicals, go for the cocoa kind. I would recommend trying those before investing in this product because I had a better experience with those. It's my personal opinion. Nothing necessarily wrong with this product, it's just not revolutionary for the price point. I wouldn't invest that, and I always tell you what I would do with my money. Take with that what you will. I personally wouldn't recommend this product, but there's nothing wrong with it. It was just not very standout to me. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.